Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on creating a sprint in ClickUp. So first, you have to make sure that you do have your ClickUp account, and of course, you have to make sure that you do have the full version of the app, so that or the website, so that you will be able to actually see these features. So first, you will go to space that we're currently in, and then you will click select space if you don't have a space yet. Then you will go ahead and click sprint, so it should be right here. So you have to make sure that you do have the full version of the app so that you will be able to see that feature. Then once you see sprint, you will go ahead and click plus new sprint, and then you will enter your sprint name, the date and end date, and then you will add tasks to the sprint by selecting from existing list, which is right here. And then what you will do is you will click start print, then you that start sprint, then you will track progress using the sprint dashboard. Then you will use the burn down chart widget to monitor task completion. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.